Beach and check out the beautiful Lake Mead on a somewhat partly cloudy desert day. Water appears to be bluish green. And that there is Lake Mead RV Village. Temporary digs. Yep, my friend, your friend, Dano Live. It's cooled down a bit. It's only supposed to be like in the 70s today. After we have been experiencing near 100-degree temperatures most of last week. Look at this, we got little dipsy doos here. If we wanted to go off-road, we could go down to Special Events Beach Registration. I'll show you in a bit. It turns into dirt. There's an RV down there. Look at that tractor. I don't know about you guys, but this view of this Lake Mead never gets old. Some ask, many wonder, if I relocated, will I ever go back to HB? Sail Beach, same thing here. Turns into a dirt road. As long as I got these beautiful accommodations and restrictions are still on and not lifted, I guess maybe I'll just stay put. Wake up each morning, stand up, look out the window, and there, yep, it's a beautiful body of water called Lake Mead. As you're seeing right there now is the marina. We'll save that for another time to go down there. Actually craving a breakfast burrito at Damn Taco. It's a trailer up off of Industrial Road in Boulder City. So that was a goal like about an hour and a half ago, but we got to be fooling around doing other things. Out of the marina, back up to Lakeshore Drive, right near the gate, the gated entry. This little road up here to the left would take us down to the marina. There's shops there at the marina. Or this road we're on takes us to the boat launch. If we were to go the other way. ATF Ford 100 towing in a boat. Gonna enjoy the rest of their day on Lake Mead. Whether you peek at the mountains or peek at the lake, the scenery is just very beautiful. I think I got my going for a ride deal from my dad. My dad always, load up the Rambler or the Chrysler or the Hudson, whatever it was, whatever that time of my youth was, and tell my mom, come on, let's go out and see some scenery. Even though we would see the same scenery over and over as kids, it was always fun to get in one of Dad's cars and cruise off. The challenge is to get him to change the radio station to something my brother and I might want to listen to, instead of listening to like Guy Barlow, Lawrence Welk, stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? You hear what I'm saying? Can you relate? Another boat. Boats are coming in. We just had like a anniversary. On Saturday was a week's anniversary of Lake Mead reopening. Since then, a lot of people have come. See up there, that little peak mountain right there. Behind it is Hoover Dam Lodge. Wish it was open. They had like $1.99 steak and egg breakfasts. There it is, flying American flag up top there. I'm gonna walk that path one day. It goes through the tunnel, goes through to the other side. Maybe now that it's a little bit cooler, I'll do that. Perhaps tomorrow. Hey, there's a damn land. People park there who don't want to pay the money to get into the park, or they're specifically going to walk the trails. And here is Lake Mead Visitor Center. I don't know if it's open, the driveway is open, but I don't know if the building itself is open. And they sport solar panels. Out of Boulder City, 4 miles out of Hoover Dam, which still is closed. So we're gonna run up the highway here into Boulder City to Damn Tacos to get that breakfast burrito I've been craving. And from there, who knows? But you can sure see it on Dano Live, Dano Vision.